me to clean, and it's a big help. The parts. Gotta figure out how to do this. We got the tube. Let's get the parts out. So first we got the tube. Looks like a snake. And then, oh, that's heavy. That's a vacuum. And here is the one on the bottom, which I don't know what it's called. And this one, I also don't know what this is called. And this is the biggest thing I've ever carried. Like more bigger than my bag. And these things, it's the Bucky box. Alright, so that's all. And yeah, we're going up.
Be careful. We have to cry. No,
Wait, what? We have to cry?
we have to cry.
Oh, I thought you said cry. Here's the switch.
Very cute. It's very cute.
Hello, little. I can see the switch already. So now we're gonna put the parts together like we put my play guard together. So isn't there supposed to be a place where you go?
This is
This one. So
you go to.
it looks like a trash can. And you have to get out those dust inside. Oh, I always wanted to do this. I don't know. It's oh. This looks like a little mini trash can.
Yeah, this is the trash. The trash box.
And these are the handles.
We don't need trash bag.
Like that. I don't know how to open that.
This is done. Yeah. Okay. Then how to okay.
What are those tubes for?
For the hand.
Oh, yeah. And then this one here.
This is here. Look.
Hey, mommy.
Here.
Here.
Come
Ooh.
on, so we can try.
Okay. And three, two,
Because if it's not working, then return.
looks like a hairbrush.
Yeah, this is to remove the dust.
Hey, mommy, I just saw a funny video about the vacuum. The dad saw in TikTok that that the girl's dad is a vacuum to braid her hair. So the dad tried it, and you know what happened? His daughter's hair just went off. So I'll never do that. So this one goes right over here. And we fix it.
It's time for trying. Oh, it's good.
Yeah, and it
We're
moves.
gonna.
Wait, hold on, mommy. Before we try it, I always want to do
Wait,
this.
how to- Okay. Yeah.
Oh, there's a
the
trash bag.
Yeah, I thought there is no. Yes. Ayun! There are.
They are sneaky. We could
There
have.
are more.
If we
There are
turn,
more parts.
if we
here.
turn that,
Oh. Ah, so that.
if we turn that
Those are
on,
the
then that would be
ways.
broken.
Yeah.
Bro,
This
that's why it
is
feels
the
something. A card.
manual.
Seriously? It looks like.
I thought that there is no trash bag. I thought it's
Every vacuum has that.
just like that. Very nice. So nice. And this is what?
I don't get this.
There is another.
Hey, what's this? I hear zippers.
So this is the real. So
What are these?
this is also for one this.
So there are the
You forgot to use vacuum cleaner?
yeah.
Because we didn't have vacuum cleaner for a long time.
Cause like I used
Yes,
to
you were
play
only.
this vacuum when I was at KG. First, let's go.
Look how we can remove this. Let's
Do this
and we try it then.
here. Okay, that's too noisy. I hate it.
Come on, check it.
Why does this have to be so loud?
Siyempre, vacuum nga.
I wonder what's this one.
Have you ever
I think I
tried
need.
to use?
Hold on for a second. What? I can't see it. What? I'll just go with the other. This one's for the couch and I'm gonna try it. So I need headphones because I am so scared of that noise. Ow, where's my nose? There, problem solved. Clean bebe. Okay. Next is this one. This is for the floor. This is my baby room. So ready, 3, 2, 1. Let's test it. Ready, 3, 2, 1. At the carpet. Okay guys, so we tried the vacuum and it worked really well. And definitely I would like to clean more because I have a helper, Mr. Vacuum. So that's all for now for our unboxing again. And thank you again for watching. And please, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you very much again, and bye. See you next time.